Next street over.
Hi, Reese.
Hi.
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 Hi. Hi.
So excited, aren't she?
Yeah. Hey, Reese. Reese. Hello.
Listen up. I'm stuck with a guy.
Tell me.
Sandwiches are what I'm about.
Tell Grammy.
Got it? Tell your friends. Now you give me all your bread.
Dewey. Oh. This is Poppy's remote.
We've got wine. You want wheat?
I haven't really.
We've got wheat. You want pumpernickel?
I guess.
We're fresh out of pumpernickel. How about
Look
some
at all
wine?
these remotes. Poppy.
Listen, pal. I just want a regular old loaf of bread.
This
and I
one?
want it now. I'm a medicine.
Reese. Reese. Oh,
Who's gonna put me in prison?
Reese.
I've gotten away from you twice and I'll come back again. Piece of cake, or should I say, piece of bread?
Now, what does this do?
But you're not clever enough to once again escape the
I think I want to get them all.
Did you have
Wow.
I think next year we'll just go to the thrift shop and get her a whole bunch of remote controls.
I'm telling you, she just... Yeah, I don't want that one.
This is my evil
She
bread
has her
maker
remote.
of doom. Now, work girl, you're about to finally meet the end of a giant loaf of bread.
What are you doing? Reese.
Work girl and that weird monkey guy next to the
Dude.
giant loaf of pumpernickel bread. How's that for a sandwich price, huh?
Say, I can't hear a peep. I think they're done.
Hey, you.
Yes, I did it.
Are you having fun pushing buttons? What? Yeah.
Reese,
Sandwich making guy.
look, honey, this one's nicer. It's blue and red button. Look, this is prettier. That's a prettier one. Isn't that pretty?